Tesla driver from 2018 crash was eating. Had autopilot on. U.S. agency US government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. Hackers break-fixed Tesla car bug that let them get in without key. Security hackers from Belgian University KU Leuven revealed that a vulnerability found by them last year, which was fixed by Tesla, could still be exploited. They had broken the 40-bit encryption of a Tesla Model S key fob to get inside the car without using the original key. They now broke the updated 80-bit encryption by cracking two 40-bit keys. Video shows Tesla driver asleep in moving car. Tesla calls it a prank. A video posted by a U.S. man shows the driver of a Tesla car sleeping as the car speeds along the highway. Responding to the video, a Tesla spokesperson said, "Many of these videos appear to be dangerous pranks or hoaxes. Our driver monitoring system repeatedly reminds drivers to remain engaged and prohibits the use of autopilot when warnings are ignored." Money laundering case against Rolls-Royce by Enforcement Directorate. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, has registered a money laundering case against London-based engine maker Rolls-Royce plc and its subsidiary Rolls-Royce India Private Limited. A report quoting two officials said the case pertains to dubious payments in the form of commissions in return for contracts from three state-run Indian companies.